Have you ever wondered how living organisms perceive and measure time? It's a question that might seem simple at first glance, but quickly becomes complex when we delve into the intricacies of biology and physics. Our journey begins by considering two separate realities. One reality is the biological realm, where organisms exist within three spatial dimensions and one biological temporal dimension. The other reality is the universal realm, which also includes three spatial dimensions, but its fourth dimension is universal time, which is out of phase with biological time. Now, what if there was a bridge between these two realities? A sort of translator, if you will, that allows a biological organism to perceive and measure universal time. This is where our hypothesis comes in, suggesting that DNA, acting as a quantum computer, could be this translator. The DNA in every cell of every living organism has been shown to possess properties of a fractal antenna, meaning it can receive and transmit signals. Through a process known as quantum entanglement, the electrons within the DNA can establish quantum circuits, allowing the DNA to produce and receive fractal frequencies. These frequencies are related to the reception and emission of biophotons, light particles that DNA can interact with. Depending on the state of consciousness, these biophotons can behave either as waves or particles. And here's where things get really interesting. As the universe expands, these frequencies would reach Earth with a phase shift due to the Doppler effect. DNA, with its quantum circuits, could capture these shifted frequencies and use them to measure time, effectively bridging the gap between biological time and universal time. So with each sleep cycle, the DNA sequences within an organism recalibrate the biological system, adjusting the organism's perception of time based on the universe's expansion. This means that our unconsciousness, or the state when biophotons act as waves, isn't solely related to the brain or nervous system. It's a fundamental capability that living organisms possess, allowing them to connect with the cosmos to receive information inputs like the measure of time and instructions that enable them to operate within a precise frame of reference. In order to test this hypothesis, programs were developed to translate DNA sequences into quantum circuits using Google's quantum computer platform Cirq. The idea is that every particle in the universe is a perfect clock, but a clock without a reference frame is useless for life. In conclusion, the hypothesis suggests that DNA acts as a quantum computer, establishing a bridge between biological time and universal time, and adjusting an organism's perception of time with each sleep cycle based on the universe's expansion. It's a fascinating perspective that challenges our understanding of time and consciousness, and it's a testament to the incredible complexity of life in the universe.